Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Welcome to VLOGMAS Day 7. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And it's also Monday, which is Shout Out Mondays. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. And today's Shout Out Monday go to our loyal subscriber, Alicegrace Dailey. Thank you so much, Alicegrace Dailey, for being a loyal subscriber. We truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. And if you want to get to be in a Shout Out Monday or a shout out every day of VLOGMAS, all you have to do is put a comment down below that you subscribe to Glennceria Loving Hands on this video. Okay? Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so I have my twine, and all I'm going to do is just try to figure out how to tie this twine on here. There you go. Especially dealing with a heart. So what you're going to do is when you make your cross, have a piece of tape. I have a piece of tape right here. And you're just going to put a piece of tape so it can hold you. Hold the string, the twine, like so you can wrap it. Okay? So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring my string underneath on one end and just figure it out. Just, you know, you just keep wrapping it. It's not going to go anywhere because the tape is going to hold it. And all you're trying to do is just put a tie in it. That's all. Anywhere you can get it, just tie it. Put a few knots in it, and it be done. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to add our label to this. Okay? So that's there. Get my scissor. I'm going to take another piece of tape, and I'm going to hold that down in the back again. Come to the front now. We have our label, right? And the string is on the label as well, which is fine. We have our label. Now I can take that label and just put it through any string. It doesn't matter. Just put it through a string. And then that's how we'll have our string on it, okay? Take this one, just put it through any string. It doesn't matter. 2, 3 strings, as long as you're able to tie it. And you could tie it to the back, you could tie it to the front, whichever way you feel like it. Just tie it. All right, I put it in a knot, and now I just put a little bow on it. All we trying to do is just keep our string on it so we can have our label. That's all. See? Now we have the ingredients in the back and our label in the front now. And it's not going anywhere because it's all taped on together. So the name of this soap is called Love. We have our, let's put the hole on our tag. Let's place our front label on the tag. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, giving is the key. The quote of the day, giving is the key. It's better to give, right? If you give, you'll be blessed so many ways, I'm telling you. Always give. Okay, so I covered up my hole, which is no problem. You just go back, make another hole. You don't need much string because remember, all you're doing with this string It's just bringing it through, right? And able to tie it. So we have our label in the front, ingredients in the back. We're taking our string, bringing it through our hole that we just punched out, making a little loop. That's it. Take your string, make sure it's long enough just to get it wrapped around there, wrap around your soap. Figure it out how, right? Come to the back. And I'm holding it kind of tight, guys. I'm holding it kind of tight. Tape that down. Guess I'll cut this off. And look, it's there. And now all I have to do is just add the label. As simple as that. You can put this one in the back. It doesn't matter. As long as the label's on it. Now, I will have these in my Etsy shop by tomorrow, okay? Which would be Tuesday. They will be in. Good. I'm enjoying my beautiful weather. Don't want to brag. There you go. See? They on. I don't care how they on as long as they on. And you're still able to see the soap, how beautiful it is. Isn't that beautiful? All right, we'll do one more. And I know it's tedious. Okay. We'll do one more. Where are my labels? Where are y'all excited for the holidays? I love looking at all the lights. It's so pretty, right? During the holiday time. Absolutely. Okay. Let's get our, I'll do the whole later. Let's get our label on first. Can you see that? Love. I decided to name it Love. Do y'all like that name? Comment down below if you like the name Love. And remember, it has activated charcoal. That's why it's black. Activated charcoal is good for what? Detoxing. It helps to draw out toxins out of your body, right? Absolutely. You know, it's not rocket science. It's not that serious. Whatever floats your boat. This is your labels, your soaps. This is just how Glennceria Loving Hands do her thing. So there's other ways of doing it as well. Okay? Just as long as it gets done. That's probably just made it. Might not be able to tie it, but I'm going to see. Nope, too small. Let me see if I can get it this way. Yeah, I got it. So a string go underneath. There you go. Just like if you was wrapping the package, that's all. Just a smaller package, that's all. Try to put a knot in it. Take your time, there's no rush. You know? Take a piece of tape. It's okay. Even if it's in the front, it doesn't matter. Hold it there. Where's your label? Where's our label? Our label's right here. I'm going to string this right under. There you go. They homemade, you know, it's made with your hands. It's supposed to not be perfect. Nobody's perfect. I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm trying to wrap this soap. It doesn't matter what the label is and what it looked like. It's what's inside this. The ingredients. That's what's important, right, guys? Absolutely. All right, I'll bring you back when I'm done with most of them anyway. Bring you right back. Okay, let's do a few more here together. All right. Like I said, you just get it around so it stays, okay? And then just tape it down and add your tag, okay? Take your time. There's no rush. Give yourself some time. They make excellent gifts, of course, you know. You know, you can even just, look, you don't even have to make another string for it. You can just pull it through the string that you already tied it with. Just, you know, do it the way you feel that you can work it out. It doesn't matter as long as it stays on. See that? Let's do another one. Make sure your string is long enough though. That's the main thing. It has to be long enough. Cannot be short. You have to make sure you get around that soap. Okay? Get around that soap. Did y'all subscribe to my channel? Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it. I really do. I like that y'all come over and see me, and I like making content and videos for y'all. I love it. I love creating new content for y'all. I enjoy it. I spend hours doing it and absolutely love it. These are too short. Make sure I put my tape in the back so it can stay still. Get one of these strings. Have your label, right? Okay, I just need a longer string. So let's cut a string just so it can get in here. This already has a string, but it's too short. So we're going to add a string, as you can see, and now we're just going to slide it through. Simple as that. It is simple as that. Tie a knot. Make sure it's on. Just tie it there. Put a little bow and you're done. As long as it's on there. And it's on. I think we did a great job today. What do y'all think? They there, love. Beautiful, right? Want to do one more? We'll do one more. Okay? So we'll have our string. It's called baker's twine, or you can use any type of string you like. Ribbon, whatever you like, as long as you can get it to stay on there. That's the main thing. Okay? I'm turning it over. Tying a knot in the back of the soap. Okay, it's right there already. I'm taking a piece of tape, putting it right there in the middle. You see that? All right. Now I'm coming to the front of the soap. Of course, it's hard to work with a heart, but that's fine. Can I make it to the back? Nope. Can't make it to the back. So what I'm going to do is just tie it right there, as tight as I can. And it's fine that I couldn't make it to the back. Because what I'm going to do is add a piece of tape right there in the front. Right there. Take my label. I'm going to string it through the string that was already there on the soap. The longer piece. There you go. Let's see. Yep, there you go. Tie it. And you're done. So let's bring them now to the forefront so you can see them. Clean our area up some. Let's bring them. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Let me pull you up so y'all can see me. There we go. Have a good day, guys. We did a great job packaging, labeling, love, activated charcoal, detox facial soap bar. Have a good day. Mwah. Love you always from Glennceria Loving Hands.